Boys, we got a spider.
Shout out to Prime vs. Prime for helping me. But anyways, Transformers Kingdom Ragnarok. Honestly, I did not get the transformation at first. Then it made sense once I watched the video. Like, this part was confusing, but actually, this part right here is on a joint. And also, here's our weapon. And according to this, you have to make it down here. Where? Eh? Oh, on these? Oh, here. Guess like. Hold on. And there's her weapon installed. Honestly, she looks fine. I've always wondered what kind of spider transformer would pick as a spider mode, but a Black Widow? Weird choice. Watch as a spider just cruises alongside. That would have been hilarious. Anyways, I'm gonna upload these videos onto YouTube now, so see ya.